Hello guys, so in my recent videos, I talk about affiliate marketing. So one of the best ways you can start making money is affiliate marketing. And today, one affiliate programs you've gotten here is Digitstem, okay? So most people have been engaged in Digitstem. So today I'm going to walk you through how you can get registered on Digitstem and what is Digitstem at all and how you can earn a lot of money from Digitstem. Now, you know that affiliate marketing, it's all about promoting products to earn commission out from it. Okay, so I'll take you through how you can do this, but please, if today happens to be your first time coming across this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates just like this, and also leave every comment in the comment section, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to visit my Telegram and my WhatsApp channel. The link to both can be found under the description. Please check it out there for you to join me. I share a lot of updates out there. So please, whatever I'm doing here, you can also do it same on your mobile device. Okay, you can do same, but in order for you to get it very visible, I'm just doing it on the laptop for you to get it very clear and visible to as well. So this is Digitstem, as you can see on the screen right now here. Okay, so this is just one of the ways you can earn a lot of commission by promoting people's products. So click on Digitstem. Once you click on Digitstem, this is the homepage of Digitstem. It's all about learn, sell, and earn a lot of money out from Digitstem. So Digitstem is currently giving out a lot of products to their agents in order for them to earn a lot of money. So there is a easy withdrawal. You have to earn e-learning platforms. You have to shorten link and live chat. A lot of stuffs out here too as well. So currently, this is the customers which are on their platform currently right now here. So a lot of people are making money out from Digitstem. So let me show you how it works on Digitstem. So all you have to do here is to just click on sign up button here. So in order for you to contact a customer service, you can also click on the customer or contact us if you have any suggestion. But note, for you to sign up an account, they have two ways for you to sign up an account. The first one is the way of buying an automated machine or automated money machine. So this one is going to help you, or they are going to teach you about marketing with a cost on it. So you have to pay. It's just like a program that you are, or a course that you are buying to learn about marketing. So they have one of the marketing platforms, or they have one of the automated money machines, of which they can sell it for you to learn it each and every day, for you to know a lot about marketing, how you can market your programs, and a lot of stuff out there. So that is the first way for you to register. So as you buy the course, they are going to automatically register you for you to get into the platform, and also it teaches you how you can earn, or how you can start making a lot of marketing programs on the internet. So you don't have any knowledge about it, yes, so Digitstem is going to help you with that. And the second way is to just tap on the register or tap on the sign up button to start registering, provided you have any idea about Digitstem or you have something to do with marketing strategies. So you go on and click on the sign up in order for you to get registered. Please don't forget to hit on the subscription button to subscribe to this video, because whenever you're subscribing, it keeps me moving for more content just like this. So the next thing is to just click on the sign up. So I'm walking you through how you can create an account. So just click on sign up and then register a new member. Okay, so we are trying to register a new member out here. So all you have to do here is to just enter your details in this particular area given to you. So make sure registering account come out with a price. It comes out at $10. Okay, very $10 for you to get registered on Digitstem. So in order for you to get registered, you have to pay, because you're also going to earn a lot of commission. Charlie, trust me, Digitstem is one of the best. So let's say here is the username. So username, please make sure that the system is going to reject a simple name. So let's say I want to type in something like Henry. So just typing in something like Henry, the system is going to reject it. So I have to enter something like Henry123, okay, for the system to know that this is what I'm actually trying to tell the system. Okay, all right, so that is another way. So let's say I want to enter email. Please make sure that you're going to enter a valid and correct email, because they're going to send you a verification code right after signing up from this session. Okay, so this is my email currently right now. So which country? Currently I'm in Ghana. You provide your telephone number for them to know that this is what you are actually trying to do on Digitstem. Okay, good. So the next thing here is to create a password. Now, in order for you to create a password, please, there are rules and regulations on it. First of all, you have to have one small letter, you have to have one capital letter, you have to have one number in your password, you have to also have one special character, and in all you have to get 6-character password. Okay, so let's go on and create a password for ourselves. Okay, so I'm trying to create a password. Okay, all right, so you can see that I have getting all the criteria they need. So everything is here is green, which means I'm through with the password. So let's see, let me do that same here. Okay, so I think the password match. Okay, so you can see they've written here password match. So the next thing I'll click on I'm not a robot in order for me to get verified. So click or tick on I agree with policies and I agree to receive promotional emails and a lot. Okay, good. So all you have to do is to just click on sign up. So once you click on sign up, that means so the password given has appeared in a data leak. Please choose a different password. This is very important. That's why it's very important for you to choose a very correct and also a valid password to as well. Okay, good. So very important, very important. So I'm trying to enter different password. I'm trying to enter different password. So please make sure that, because as I said, there are rules pertaining to the password creating. Okay, so you have to make sure. So they say verify email. So the code has been sent to me. That means I have to enter the codes here. Okay, good. So the code has been sent to me. So that's why you said please make sure to get your correct email for them in order to get your code or whenever they want to verify things from you. So user data. So here I'll go on provide my name. I will go on provide my first name, my last name. Okay, your address. So somewhere I'm at Sunyai. Okay, so states. Let's say, let me just enter the same Sunyai here. All right, so for the sake of this video, so please go online and search in for your zip code. All right, so very important. Go online to search in for your zip code where you are currently right now. Okay, good. So let me try to save this data. So I've saved this data. So in order for me to get registered on this platform is $10. But please know that this $10 is going to help, is going to take your coverage for 1 year. Okay, one good year. So it's going to help you maintain and Digitstem for good 1 year. So you have to make a deposit and then you start with your marketing strategies. So let me know if you have much about Digitstem, if you have experience, if you know anything about Digitstem rather, please leave it in the comment section. Let's talk about it, and also share with me your experience on Digitstem, how you earn a lot and what is going on Digitstem. Also, let me know if you want me to make a video on Digitstem, how you can earn a lot from the Digitstem too as well. Leave it in the comment section. But please don't forget to subscribe to this particular channel. Join my Telegram and my WhatsApp group. The link can be found under the description. I also hope to thank you very much for watching this particular video, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. See you guys.